In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can generate images from text with this AI for free. The first thing you do is head over to firefly.adobe.com. After heading there, just go to the text to image section. You will see it right here. As you scroll down, here it is. You will see it right here. Just click on generate. After clicking on generate, you'll be redirected to where you can create your image. Now here we are. We have various images created by various individuals. Okay, all these images are created by various individuals. And then we have the prompt area. Describe the image you want to generate. Just come and input the specific image you want to generate. As for me, I wrote create a stunning, hyper-realistic scene of a serene, mystical forest at twilight. As you can see, I was presented with 4 results. You have this first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Now you can come and click one of the images right here and view it. If you're not satisfied, go to the next image. If you're not satisfied again, go to the next image. And then if you're not satisfied again, you can head to the next image. Right? There it is. Once you are satisfied with a specific image, just head over and click on download. Now after clicking on download, the specific image will be saved in your computer. And thus you can use it in a later date or a later time in however way you want. Alright? There it is. We have finished the first one. Now, you can come and modify these images to just fit your specific reference even before you write your specific prompt. You can come and input the size of the image. Let's say you want it to be a landscape image, a portrait image, a square image, or a windscreen image. You can come and choose if you want the image to be in form of art or in phototype. As you can see, when I click art, it changes. When I click in photo, it changes. Right, so all this will be saved right here, and then you can come and increase or decrease the visual intensity. You can come and choose these effects you want, whether it's popular, movement, themes, techniques. However, it's not that important right there. And you can come and choose the effect you want right here. So we have various effects. You can come and choose synthwave. Let's say you want synthwave, and they will all be inputted right here. And then when you're done, just come and click on generate, and the AI will begin generating the specific images based on what you have presented to it. As you can see, I've presented, I want a photo image with the synthwave effect. Alright. If you want to include the color tone, lighting, and camera angle, you can do that. There we have it. You have 4 images with our photo sensation and a synthwave effect. And there is how this AI is very beneficial, because you can change the style of your images while still creating it using text. Alright. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe, and it would be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching once again, and good luck.